How does Linux file ownership work? Imagine walking into a library where each book has a designated owner and a specific group of readers allowed to access it. That's similar to how Linux manages files and directories. Every file in Linux is assigned an owner and a group. The owner is usually the person who created the file, and the group is a collection of users sharing certain access rights. This setup helps keep files secure and organized. Linux uses permissions to control who can do what with each file. These permissions are divided into 3 categories: the owner, the group, and everyone else. For each category, there are 3 types of permissions: read, write, and execute. Read lets you view or list the contents of a file or folder. Write allows you to change or add to the file. Execute means you can run a file as a program or script or enter a directory. Permissions are shown as a string of 9 characters, like rwxrxr. The first 3 characters tell what the owner can do. The next 3 show what the group can do. The last 3 are for everyone else. For example, rwxrxr means the owner can read, write, and execute, the group can read and execute, and others can only read. Understanding who owns a file and what they can do is key to keeping your system secure. If you want to change the owner of a file, you use the command change owner followed by the new owner's name and the file name. To change the group, you use the change group command. Adjusting permissions is done with the change mode command, which lets you set read, write, and execute rights for each category. This system is different from other operating systems like Windows, which use more detailed permission lists called access control lists. Linux's approach is simpler but still very powerful, especially for managing multiple users and securing sensitive data. Knowing how to manage file ownership and permissions helps you protect your files, collaborate with others, and control who can access what on your Linux system. In practical terms, understanding Linux file ownership means you can restrict access to sensitive files so only you can modify them. You can also give your team read access to shared documents or make certain files available to everyone. It's all about setting the right permissions for the right people, making your Linux environment both secure and flexible.